Welcome to Angel Enchanted Faces. We're gonna jump right into the video. First thing you will need is some white canvas paper or any hard paper. Bring it towards your face. Your nose should be in the center. And then you will try to draw a line above your forehead, under your chin, and to the sides of your cheeks. Now try your best to draw Rafiki's beard and ears. When done, you can paint it. It should look like this. Now you'll need a bandana or cap and 2 pins. It should look like this when you pin them on together. Now the bandana is stretch material, so it's very easy to put on. Now here I'm gonna paint black to blend in with the background and paint little hairs on my forehead. Paint a white line to separate the head from the background. And then you just use a bit of black here for some shadow. Go over the hairs again with some white. You also want to paint under the eyes. Be careful not to pluck out your eye. Here is pretty simple. Now I'm using Professional Make-up by Nyx. Hopefully I said their name correct. I'll add all products in the description box so you all can see what products were used. Here I'm painting a little under my nose with the black. Be careful to not paint inside your nose though. I'm using the red to create some shadow. Go over the red line with some black to make the nose stand out more. This part is very simple, just follow the steps. Add some brown on each corner of the eyes to create some shadow effect. This is great to do in case you don't want to wear any contact lens. Painting eyes, by the way, is my favorite thing to do with cosplay. You'll never find lens like this anywhere, darling. Now here I'm gonna try my best to paint some monkey chest here. It's pretty simple, just follow the steps. Now for the body here, I'm tapping it out a bit. See, painting it over again. Tapping it out again, trying to blend it in. There you go. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share, comment if you have any questions, and see you on the next video.
What was that? The weather. Very peculiar, don't you think?
Yeah. Looks like the winds are changing.
Change is good.
Yeah, but it's not easy. I know what I have to do, but going back means I'll have to face my past. I've been running from it for so long. Ow! Jeez, what was that for?
It doesn't matter. It's in the past.
Yeah, but it still hurts.
Oh, yes, the past can hurt. But the way I see it, you can either run from it or learn from it.